This series helps children enjoy great stories and the illustrations that bring them alive. Get cozy, grab some drawing supplies, and get ready for an interactive story session. I'm thrilled to introduce Jarvis, the author and illustrator of the book, The Boy with Flowers in His Hair. Jarvis, we're excited to hear this lovely story. Please read The Boy with Flowers in His Hair.
So this is the story, The Boy with Flowers in His Hair. His name is David. He's the boy with flowers in his hair, and he's my best friend. Everybody likes David, even Mrs. Jones, and flowers make her sneeze. He's sweet and gentle, just like his petals. We have the best time together, finding the good puddles, making up songs, and running away from the bees. Once, he had a family of birds living in his hair for a whole month. It was really funny, but one day something happened. I was watering David's hair and one of the petals came off in my hand. That afternoon, he didn't want to play. The next day, he started wearing a hat. David never wore hats. He was quiet. David was never quiet. Mrs. Jones asked us to take off our coats and hats and scarves. When David took off his, petals fluttered down like butterflies. David was twiggy, spiky, and brittle. Everyone stayed away in case they got hurt by the branches. I got a few scratches, but it wasn't David's fault. Then I had an idea. I asked Mrs. Jones for a paintbrush and some scissors, and I found a way to give David his colour back. I made new flowers for David all the time. Everybody wanted to help. David seemed back to how he was before, almost. Then, one day, I noticed a different flower in David's hair. It wasn't one of mine. It wasn't one of anyone's. It was David's. It was a real flower, a new flower. Prettier than ever. More and more of David's own flowers started to bloom, and soon enough, all those buzzy bees were back. So right now, David has lots and lots of flowers in his hair, but I'm making sure I still have lots of paper ones, just in case he ever needs them, because he is my best friend, and I am his.
We want to thank Jarvis for inspiring us today. And we also want to thank Candlewood Press for collaborating with Crayola on this read-along drawing program. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.